Roof of a multifamily home in Dolgeville was blown off yesterday due to those storms. Strong winds and hail blew through the area yesterday around 3, and the village of Dolgeville was hit particularly hard. Now, part of a roof on an apartment building on Elm Street blew off as the storm began. No one was injured, but about a dozen residents there are now displaced. Dolgeville Fire Chief Dave Jaquay said about 20 trees came down throughout the village, and Dolge Ave was closed from East State Street, that is, to 2nd Street, while crews removed debris and downed wires. Several National Grid crews are repairing the damage to power lines.